Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to use bend commands. In that, how to use roll bend and planar bend. Okay, I have made separate video on planar bend, and in this video we will focus on how to use roll bend, and simultaneously we will also compare roll bend and planar bend. Okay, so those who are new on this channel, kindly subscribe this channel. It will be helpful for your increasing the design skills, sheet metal designing in Creo Parametric 5.0, which is the latest version. So let's get started. Click on this file, take this new file, select this subtype as a sheet metal and untick this, click on OK. And next, make it in millimeters, click on OK. Now the system is creating new workspace for me, and first of all create a primary wall by using this planar command. Click on planar, select this front plane, click on this sketch view. Next, from this ribbon, take the center rectangle, draw it from the center of any dimension, click on OK. Here the primary wall is generated having thickness of 1 millimeter. I would like to make 5. Put over there, click on this green tick mark. Now the primary wall is generated with the thickness of 5 millimeter. Okay, now this wall is ready to perform this operation. Now our command is here, bend. I have made separate video on this bend and this planar bend. You can find this video to my YouTube channel and in this video description. So, and today I am going to focus to roll bend. Click on this planar bend. From here you can see here is option. Click on this roll, click on done. Next, from here part bend table, click on done and reference. And next, system is asking select the reference plane, so click on this surface. Here one arrow is generated. Here you can see you can flip or change the direction of this arrow. This is the direction of viewing the sketching plane. From here you can change. Click on OK and again click on now. Select this orientation default. Click on normal view. Okay. Next, take this reference. Take this horizontal 2 references. Close this. And next, click on this line and draw this line from this point to this point like this. Click on OK. Okay. Now from this we have drawn this line because this is the side of entity to create the feature. Okay, so we are going to create this roll bend from this side or this edge. So and from here you can flip the direction. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now click on this enter value. Now here automatically system generated value is 185. So click on this green tick mark and again you can change this direction. Click on OK and again click on OK. Here you can see bend is generated. Okay, now again go to model tree, right click on this model, this bend, click on edit definition. From here you can change the sketch also. Click on sketch, click on define, click on this normal view. Just push this line up to this upside. Click on OK. No, not on this OK. Click on this OK. OK and OK and again OK. So system is showing what will be the changes in this primary all. Okay, like this. Again click on this, go to the model tree and right click on this brain and click on edit. You can change the location from which would you like to make this bend by using this roll bend. Okay, I have just moved this line little bit upside, so this bend is created like this. And click on this radius, again click on this define and enter value. Okay, now this is the radius, so I would like to make it 100. Put over there and click on green tick mark, again click on OK. Now here you can see, now this the radius is 100, like this. This is all about how to use this roll bend. Okay, now and for using how to use that planar bend, you can see the previous video in my channel, and this is the next in which we will learn how to use the roll bends. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. If you like it, so subscribe my channel and give thumbs up and share to your mechanical friends and engineering friends.